Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Thank you for coming back to the Blended Fields channel. We appreciate you all so much. And of course, today I'm coming at you with another laundry motivation video. You guys seem to love these laundry motivation videos, so I'm going to continue to make them for you as long as you continue to like them. So today I'm going to be doing a lot of bedding laundry. So that includes of course, sheets, mattress pads, pillowcases, comforters, but mainly for Ava and Araya. And then I'm gonna do Amori's sheets as well from her crib. And of course I have a ton of baby clothes to wash and fold as well. I always seem to be just drowning in kids clothes and baby clothes all the time. So that's primarily what today's video is going to be focused on. So if you have any laundry to wash, dry, fold, put away, make sure that you definitely join me so we can just tackle this laundry together. And I'll have some nice music going for you all, and I'll pop in and out of the video as well just to kind of show you where I'm at. And of course I have little Amori being my helper getting into everything. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. All right, so I have the whites done, which is Araya sheets and the mattress pads. So I'm getting that in the dryer now. And look, I have this nasty applesauce stain on my shirt because of this little one right here just poured it all over me. So if you notice the stain throughout the video on my shirt, just ignore it. This is real life. I wasn't about to go get another shirt. Anyway, so I got distracted because the lid to my washer was dirty. So I'm just kind of cleaning that up, cleaning the outside and the knobs. But I wanted to see if you all had any suggestions because I really want to get inside of those grooves and everything inside of the washer and do a deep clean on the inside. So if you have any product recommendations for that, definitely let me know. So I am just getting that stuff out of the dryer now. And Amori, she loves playing with the dryer lint trap and just helping me with the clothes whenever I do laundry. So I think it's really cute how she is just trying to help. But I'm just putting that load into the dryer now, and then I'm gonna go and get the girls' comforters and I'm gonna put that in the washer. And I was surprised that both of these comforters were able to fit inside of the washer, so that made me really excited. So I didn't have to do a separate load for each of them. I was just checking the directions there to make sure I was washing it correctly. But yeah, so this is going now, and I will check back in just a little bit. right, so the comforters are done and I'm about to put them on their beds. So the kids, they don't like top sheets, so they would prefer to have, their fitted sheet and then a small blanket on top of the fitted sheet and then their comforter, just because they don't like the top sheets. So they claim that it's more comfortable. So that's why I'm putting those smaller blankets underneath their comforters and on top of their sheets. So I'm just finishing up putting on their pillowcases and getting just their little, stuffed animal friends and things on their bed. They have a ton of little stuffed animals that they like to sleep with on their bed. The ones that I put on their bed wasn't even like the majority of them. They have way more. But that is pretty much it. And make sure you stay a little bit towards the end, just like a few more seconds, because I want to kind of show you the overview of their room once their bedding is all on. Their room is really cute. I still have to put some decor items and stuff on their walls, but for now, this is what we have, and the kids really, really enjoy it. So I am all done. I hope that this helped you with some laundry motivation. I will see you all in the next video. And of course, let me know if you have any questions or comments or concerns. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.